Pollution is an incurable disease. It can only be prevented. Single-use plastics, as the name suggests, are used once and thrown away. Now some of you who don't know about single-use plastics may think, what is wrong with them? But the SUPs are a factor contributing to environmental pollution, which can eventually put the different forms of life in a vulnerable position.
The major impact of single-use plastic on the environment is that it takes many years for them to decompose. In addition, toxic substances are released into the soil when plastic bags perish under sunlight. If single-use plastic are burnt, they release a toxic substance into the air, causing ambient air pollution. Toxic chemicals leach out of plastic and are found in the blood and tissue of nearly all of us. Exposure to them is linked to cancers, birth defects, impaired immunity, endocrine disruption, and other ailments. Manufacturing single-use plastic on a large scale increase the production of harmful greenhouse gases, which adversely affect the environment. For wildlife such as rabbit, deer, and lion, etc., it can be deadly as they become entangled or mistake it for food. Many countries have already faced issues, and water everywhere is a risk because of plastic pollution caused by the discard of single-use plastic. The garbage thrown into the sea, such as plastic bottles, plastic straw, plastic cups, etc., keeps floating in the sea. This prevents the sunlight from reaching the ground level of the sea. As a result, the life in the ocean doesn't get enough sunlight. This prevents them from developing and stops their growth.
The world is waking up to the problem, and governments have started to act through running public awareness campaigns, to offering incentives for recycling, to introducing levies or even banning certain products outright. In the last decade, dozens of national and local governments around the world have adopted policies to reduce the use of single-use plastic, and the number continues to grow. Africa stands out as a continent where the most countries have adopted a total ban on the production and use of plastic bags. The European Union had come up with a clear vision in the form of EU Plastic Strategy, which gave the industry a 3-year window till 2021 to phase out 10 identified SUP items. Israel proposed to levy double purchase tax on SUP and disposable plasticware. The move is expected to reduce usage by 41% according to a study by the country's Ministry of Environmental Protection. In India, polythene bags with thickness less than 50 microns are already banned, and now the ministry has chalked out a phased manner of banning single-use carry bags as well as other commodities. The government has banned the manufacture, sale and use of identified single-use plastic items like plates, cups, straws, trays and polystyrene from July 1, 2022, as per the ministry notification on the Plastic Waste Management Amendment Rules 2021. The items that will be banned beginning the next year in the country are earbuds with plastic sticks for balloons, plastic flags, ice cream and candy sticks, polystyrene or thermocol used for decorations, plastic plates, cups, glasses, cutlery such as forks, spoons and knives, straw, trays, wrapping films around sweet boxes, invitation cards and cigarette packets, plastic or PVC banners less than 100 microns and stirrers. Some states such as Karnataka have already enforced bans on the items mentioned in the draft notification. The way forward would be to identify alternatives for these SUPs, and the government needs to ensure promoting companies producing these alternatives. In a vast country like India, education and engagement can be part of each city's strategic action plan and can include consumer awareness campaigns, business awareness campaigns, documentary films, school initiatives and cleanup activities, among others. The aim is to increase public understanding and shape community perceptions on the dangers of plastic pollution and available solutions, thereby empowering more people and organizations to take action.
Human beings are the smartest beings on earth. We have the ability to think better than any other organism, and we are gifted with creativity. So we should stand up and take the responsibility of protecting us and the other inhabitants of this wonderful planet. Polluting the environment is a sin. We must give up the use of single-use plastics and other polluting substances for a better future.